Hi, it's Tom here from Roywood Transits. In front of us today we've got a Ford Transit. This is a base spec. It's a 2.2 litre Euro 5 6-speed manual gearbox. So 100 PS, frozen white, front wheel drive. This is a short wheelbase, medium roof height. '13 plate, registered in 2013, so over 7 years old. This van has only covered just under 38,000 miles, so lovely low mileage, really great condition. Few bumps to be expected for the age, and as you can see there, it's fitted with a Hubbard refrigeration unit. Again, I'll show you the inside in just a minute. It's a really great refrigeration unit. You can also see the electrical hookup there, which means this is equipped with an overnight standby mode. Again, another really great feature. If you need to use the van overnight as a fridge, you can do so. If you need extra storage, etc., you have that option. So this van is ready to go. MOT'd until the 18th of October 2021. It comes with Roywood Transit 6 months no quibble warranty, and it comes with complete service history on the fridge and also on the van. Priced at £9,995 plus the VAT plus the road fund tax. At well over half the price of a new refrigerated van, especially with a great brand such as Hubbard. Right, let me show you around inside. As you can see, nice and clean, sterile environment in the back. There's the unit, which has just been serviced. We've got 50mm insulation surrounding on the doors also. Lots of storage. And easy access through the side-loaded door. And also another great feature, the rear barn door, open 180 degrees, just like that. Inside the cab, it's all neat and tidy. A few minor marks to be expected on a 7-year-old van. Well equipped. You've got adjustable driver's seat. Electric windows on the driver's and the passenger side. You have the heater, you have your AM, FM radio, you've got CD connectivity, you've got auxiliary connectivity. You get handy storage units on the dash, like so. Just confirming the mileage. The refrigeration control unit is located just down there, very easy to use and operate. So, just to go over a few of the key points. It's the Ford Transit, this is a base spec, it's a Euro 5 6-speed manual refrigerated van. So Hubbard refrigeration unit on top, which is a great brand. It has an overnight standby mode, again, which is another great little feature. The van is in stock, ready to go, MOT'd until the 18th of October 2021. Full service history for the refrigeration unit and for the van. And finally, Roywood Transit 6 months no quibble warranty. If you're interested or you have any questions, please give us a call on 0118 09790. No, that's not right. It's 0118 9790 060. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.